Hello there. Thank you for your interest in our channel. I would like to introduce you our reseller program. If you would like to resell our virgin hair in natural dark colors, please, you are welcome. I will give you very special rates on our virgin bulk hair. I have been collecting this bulk hair for 11 plus years now, and I make sure every ponytail, every bundle is clean, healthy, without any lice eggs or needs, usable, uncolored, virgin, and natural. So when it comes to good quality hair, I really can tell that I can guarantee you the quality of my collected hair. I have tested all kinds of hairs. I have washed them, I have bleached them, I have colored them, I have pre-bonded them. I searched for coarse hairs, I searched for fine hairs, I searched for baby hairs. It is very obviously easy to see the difference when you have spent lots of money and you've got all kinds of different hairs. You can easily tell the difference, the good hair and the bad hair, long lasting hair and short time lasting hair, well bleaching hair and badly bleaching hair, well colored hair and badly colored hair, well natural virgin cuticle hair and some kind of hair which has no cuticles, which has cuticles been removed somehow, and etc. There are lots of resellers nowadays, lots of vendors, lots of hair collectors. I feel very comfortable with my collected hairs because all the time all I hear is great hair, well bleached, well worked, longly lasts, no tangling, easy for coloring, easy for working with, usable, sellable, clean, healthy. Well, all these words are being coming from emails, from Instagram, from Facebook, from WhatsApp and other places. So I really can guarantee you the quality. All these resellers, all these hair salons that have been using my collected hair are very happy. And I'd like to expand the business. Every year I'm trying to expand it more and more and more. Me keep continuing collecting the best hair for your needs, for your reselling needs, for your salon requirements, for your clients' requirements. So if you really want to be reselling very good quality hair, if you invest your money in a good quality hair, please do so. Please contact me.